Hello guys, welcome to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I will show you how exactly you can claim $100 straight to your wallet, and of course I'm going to answer your questions. A lot of people have been asking me, why am I trading on Coinex and why am I recommending people to use Coinex? So we all know that when it comes to crypto exchanges, it's really important for you to choose a proper crypto exchange. So in this video, I'll show you why I'm choosing Coinex over all other crypto exchanges and why newbies or beginners should use Coinex. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, we all know that Coinex is easy to use and fees are very cheap and all that good stuff, but this is a really important document that I want to show you guys, because you can see that this document just came out recently, and right here you can see that we have got a bunch of crypto exchanges, and Binance is number one. We all know about Binance, and you can see that right here we have got all other big exchanges including OKX, Bybit and Coinex, right? So the reason why I'm trading on Coinex and I'm recommending you guys to use Coinex is because fees are very cheap and it's easy to use. It's not really complicated. Like if you're a beginner, you can easily trade on Coinex. Like it's not really complicated compared to all other crypto exchanges. So you can see that Coinex has got a result right here, including Bybit, Bitget and OKX. Of course, we all know about Bybit, OKX and all other crypto exchanges, but then the difference is these exchanges are very expensive when it comes to transaction fees, and you have to be advanced trader for you to use these crypto exchanges. But then when it comes to Coinex, it's very cheap when it comes to transaction fees, and it has user-friendly interface, and you can get customer care in real time. You don't have to wait 24 hours just for you to get help. And this is the reason why I have been trading on Coinex, because it's just worth it. But other than that, I'll leave a link to this report in the description below as well. But if you're a beginner and you're looking for a best crypto exchange that you can trade on, I recommend you guys to try on Coinex. And the reason being is there's $100 straight that is offered to you, and for you to get this $100 straight reward is really simple. All you have to do is to sign up using the link in the description below and deposit some money and complete a trade. And speaking of trading, guys, on this channel I made a full video showing you how exactly you can trade on Coinex, and you can see that this video has got at least 1.2 thousand views so far. And there's a lot of information that you can learn, right? So make sure you watch this whole tutorial, and this is the best Coinex tutorial so far on internet right now as I'm recording this video, and the link is also going to be in the description below as well. But all you have to do is to create an account, make a deposit and complete a trade, and you're going to qualify to get this $100 straight to your wallet. I mean, it's really simple, and it doesn't really take time for you to finish this process. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. I just wanted to show you how exactly you can get this 100 result and why I'm recommending people to trade on Coinex, because it's simple and fees are very cheap. I mean, if you trade on these big exchanges, you're just gonna waste money on transaction fees and stuff like that. But on Coinex, it's actually worth it, and it's simple to use. That's why I've been trading on Coinex so far. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the most profitable channel on internet. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys.